Have you ever wondered why modern gym goers feel stiff, achy, and less athletic? Our ancestors built bodies that were stronger, more flexible, and more functional. Their methods were superior to what most modern trainers teach today. I will reveal 5 ancient techniques that will transform your body. 5 years ago, I followed every expert. The stronger I got, the worse I felt. My shoulders ached constantly. My lower back was always tight. I could barely touch my toes. I moved like a stiff robot. I was adding muscle, but losing something far more valuable, my athleticism. Then I discovered something that changed everything. I started researching ancient training. Ancient warriors, Greek athletes, Shaolin monks. Their methods were shockingly simple. When I incorporated these methods, the transformation was dramatic. Within 3 months, my chronic shoulder pain completely disappeared. My mobility improved so much I could finally do a full squat again. And here's the crazy part. I got stronger in ways that actually mattered. I felt more athletic at 42 than I did at 25. So what are these 5 ancient methods? Let's start with the foundation. We're talking about the humble push-up, a powerful foundational movement. I know what you're thinking, but the push-up is superior to the bench press.
The Spartans used push-ups to build the strength and endurance needed for combat.
Shaolin monks, famous for incredible martial arts, built their foundation on calisthenics.
Your scapula moves naturally, which is how your shoulder blades are designed to move.
Compare this to the bench press, where your shoulder blades can't move freely. This is why so many people develop shoulder problems from heavy bench pressing.
The push-up builds functional strength that transfers to real life.
Here's where it gets even better. The push-up is infinitely scalable. Anyone can do them. If you're starting out, elevate your hands to build strength gradually without injury. As you get stronger, you can make push-ups progressively more challenging. My favorite variation is ring push-ups. They capture the essence of ancient training. Ring push-ups force your body to stabilize itself in unique ways. The rings move freely, so your hands can rotate naturally as you push. The goal is building coordination, stability, and full body force generation. Now for the second ancient method. This one might surprise you. It's swinging. This was a primary training method for warriors in ancient India and Persia. In modern society, we have almost completely eliminated rotation from our training.
But real athletic movement is rotational. Throwing, swinging, changing direction.
By eliminating rotation, we create bodies that look strong but move poorly.
Swinging clubs reintroduces this crucial rotational pattern back into your training.
Swinging can help rehabilitate shoulder injuries and prevent future problems.
Let me describe a basic pattern, the reverse throw. It's a fundamental movement. Start by holding the club right in front of your collarbone. From here, you reach behind your back, allowing the club to swing around. Use that momentum to let it swing back up to the start. The goal is to make it one smooth, flowing, and continuous motion. When you first start, you must use much lighter weights than you expect. This is not about maximal strength. It's about movement quality and shoulder health. As you get comfortable, you can explore more complex swinging movements.
The secret ancient warriors understood. Real strength comes from movement mastery. Modern footwear can interfere with the natural function of your feet and ankles.
The third ancient method is absolutely crucial for building powerful, athletic legs.
We're talking about knee bending, specifically the Hindu squat used by Indian wrestlers.
It's different from a barbell squat. Your torso stays completely upright. Your feet, ankles, knees, and hips all work together in perfect coordination. Many of us have lost this ability from sitting in chairs too much. This is tragic because deep squatting is one of our most natural movements. Wrestling has been in the Olympics since 708 BC. They built legendary leg endurance. If you've lost it, don't worry. Use your hands for support. Over time, your mobility will improve and you can progress at your own pace. An advanced variation is the walking Hindu squat, building athletic, springy legs.
The fourth ancient method develops real-world strength by lifting awkward, unstable objects.
The reason is simple. Barbells are perfectly balanced and move in predictable paths. A sandbag shifts and moves, forcing your body to constantly adjust and stabilize.
Stone lifting is an ancient practice, one of the ultimate tests of strength.
But you don't need giant stones. You can use a basic sandbag. Here's how you pick it up properly. Start by hinging down and grasping it. Simultaneously deadlift and row the bag, pulling it high onto your lap. Once on your lap, stand up and wrap your arms around it.
This simple sequence integrates and strengthens your entire body at once.
This strength transfers to real life, carrying groceries, lifting your grandchildren. The final ancient method may be the secret to a pain-free, bulletproof back. We're talking about side bending, moving your torso from side to side.
This gap in our training might explain why back pain is so common.
Yoga, one of the oldest forms of exercise, includes many side bending positions. You're stretching one side of your body while strengthening the other side. This creates balance and symmetry in your core, which is essential for preventing injuries.
For sports and daily health, your torso must move freely in all directions.
The simplest way to start is to take a wide stance and reach overhead.
Take this slowly at first. Focus on breathing deeply and don't force anything.
A great variation combines a squat with a side bend for hips and spine.
A seated version can create a deep stretch along the entire side body.
I've trained with these 5 methods. The results have been remarkable. I've never been more muscular, thanks to calisthenics and sandbag training. I can sprint and jump with more power than 20 years ago. My chronic aches and pains have disappeared. My posture has improved dramatically. Our ancestors had it figured out. Real strength comes from mastering your body. Push-ups for powerful upper body strength and healthy shoulders. Swinging to develop rotational power and bulletproof your joints. Knee bending to create athletic, springy legs with full range of motion. Lifting awkward objects to develop real-world functional strength. Side bending to build a mobile, resilient, pain-free spine. The modern fitness industry has convinced us we need expensive, complicated things. But the truth is much simpler. You just need to move your body. These methods work because they're based on timeless principles of human movement. They develop your body as an integrated system, not a collection of muscles. They create the kind of functional fitness that actually improves your life.
They can be practiced by anyone, regardless of age or experience level.
Think about how your body feels right now. Are you stiff? In pain?
If you answered yes, it might be time to learn from our ancestors.
You don't have to abandon everything. Just add 1 or 2 methods in.
Maybe you replace your bench press day with a push-up focused session.
Add club swinging to prepare your shoulders. Finish with squats and side bends.
The key is to start somewhere and to be consistent with your practice. Over time, you'll start to notice changes. Your joints will feel better.
Your posture will improve. You'll move with more ease and less effort.
This is what real fitness looks like. A body that works well.
The wisdom of our ancestors is available to us right now.
Reclaim the athleticism and capability that is your birthright.
So here's what I want you to do. Choose one method.
Commit to practicing it for the next 30 days.
It strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and your entire core. Maybe you spend 10 minutes a day learning the basic swinging patterns. Maybe you practice Hindu squats every morning, working up to higher repetition. Which method you choose doesn't matter. Just start.